Good day everyone. I am Madiha Zaki from the platform of 101 Incredible Women of Pakistan. Today we have another interesting story for you. इस स्टोरी में आपके लिए सीखने के लिए है बहुत कुछ, क्योंकि ये नॉर्मल जो भी चीजें हम डिस्कस करते हैं उस रूटीन से बिल्कुल हटकर है. Today we have Sana Durrani with us. She is a visual artist. Not only that, she has done a lot of work for preserving art. Art preservation sound different. अस्सलाम वालेकुम सना.
वालेकुम सलाम.
सना, इतना डिफरेंट काम आप कर रही हैं आर्ट प्रिजर्वेशन के ऊपर. आप कंजर्व कर रही हैं उन चीज़ों को जो डिफरेंट लोगों ने बनाए. नॉर्मली एवरीवन टेंड्स टू मेक और क्रिएट समथिंग, लेकिन किसी का काम प्रिजर्व करना और उसको उसकी खूबसूरती को बरकरार रखना, ये समथिंग है जो कि आप दिस इज समथिंग वेरी कंस्ट्रक्टिव आई मस्ट से. कैसे आपको ये आइडिया आया एंड हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड?
Well, actually, it was kind of a process which happened to me after I completed my studies. I did my master's from Beacon House National University in 2016, and after that, we were introduced to this workshop, जहाँ एक Danish Embassy की collaboration के साथ अलहम्रा आर्ट म्यूजियम में एक वर्कशॉप का इनेकाद किया गया था, और वहाँ हमें ये आर्ट रेस्टोरेशन के हवाले से ट्रेनिंग दी गई थी. So it was so interesting for me as well to work on those paintings, because masterpieces थे अलहम्रा आर्ट म्यूजियम के. उन पे काम करना, उनको एटलीस्ट आप देख के ही इतना enjoy करते हो तो
mesmerized हो जाता है बंदा.
Exactly. और उन पे जब आप काम करना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो it's kind of another level you are doing, kind of taking care of the paintings in your own way. So then I was selected as they selected 10 best art restorers from that workshop, and I was selected amongst those 10 best art restorers. So after that I realized कि I should not stop myself here. मुझे इसमें आगे भी अभी सीखना चाहिए, because I found it really interesting work. And I spoke to the department Alhamra Art Museum, and I said that I want to work on the paintings. तो आप मुझे इसमें आगे बताइए कि paintings पे काम करना है. And then I got this very beautiful painting by Miss Anna Malka Amal. Title is Tariq bin Ziyad, Invasion of Spain. And when I got it, it was in a terrible condition. It was not what I was expecting. तो मैंने कहा कि ठीक है,
A very difficult one on your way.
It will be kind of a challenging situation to work on that kind of a painting. And after that, during the process, I realized no, this is not that I'm not doing.
Resources भी कम होंगे as compared to other countries, क्योंकि हमारे country में this is something which is very new.
उस वक्त तो I was excited और मैंने ये step ले लिया. Then I realized no, there's so much to do. I myself have to train myself in this field. So during that work, I realized I have to get further training in this restoration work. मुझे basics जानने हैं, मुझे इस बारे में और सीखना है, और मुझे इसको सही तरीके से करना है preserve. I'm not going to, मैं injustice नहीं करना चाहती थी painting के साथ. So when I went to Florence, there I was introduced to a very brilliant lady who was working on the churches of Pisa. वहाँ paintings restore करती थी, और उन्होंने मुझे इस तरह की चीज़ें सिखाई which was very much related to the traditional way of restoring the paintings. जिसमें
यहाँ मैं पूछूंगी, when you were moving abroad, were there any hurdles कि एक लड़की है अकेली बाहर जा रही है, or was it easy for you?
Well, there was no such people involved in it except Ma'am Salima Hashmi, because I wanted to go there, and I spoke to her और मैंने उन्हें कहा कि this is what I want. She really encouraged me to go there, because hurdles तो हुई बहुत ज़्यादा, and as I was going on my own, I didn't have any sponsor at that time. तो उसमें यही है कि अपने ओन पे जब आप लर्न करते हो, देन आप थोड़ा सा डेडिकेशन भी अपने तौर पे ज़्यादा दिखाते हो.
सेल्फ मोटिवेशन शुरू से मैं देख रही हूँ आपके साथ थ्रू एंड थ्रू चल रही है.
तो उसके बाद जो है ना, बस ये चीज़ हुई. उसी तरीके से वहाँ से जब मैंने सीखा, so I was quite like I was like नहीं, this is not it. इसमें आप अगर आर्ट रेस्टोरेशन में देखें, पेंटिंग कंजर्वेशन और आर्ट रेस्टोरेशन, अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे इधर इस तरह की कोई इंस्टीट्यूशंस नहीं है जो हमें इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग्स दें. So we have to go abroad or some other places to learn such techniques. So I came up with two conclusions or two ideas to work on मेरे वापसी पे. एक था कि इस पेंटिंग्स को अच्छे तरीके से उस टेक्निक्स के थ्रू प्रिजर्व किया, बिकॉज ये भी एक ओल्ड पेंटिंग थी. The second one was to have some sort of workshops here in Pakistan, जहाँ जो डेडिकेटेड लोग हैं उनको इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग्स दी जाएँ, to select 10 to 12 selected people from art community और जो भी इसमें interested है,
बिल्कुल।
because जो चीज़ मैंने face की, मैं चाहती थी हर इंसान के लिए तो इतना possible नहीं होता इस
ये
तरीके से
बहुत ही
कागज से आके।
significant step था सना आपका कि you started creating awareness related to this.
I tried.
एक्चुअली मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रही हूँ, मैं हमेशा बड़ी इंक्विजिटिव होती हूँ इसको लेकर कि जब आप रिस्टोर करते हैं be it a building or a painting, तो how do you draw that fine line कि ये अपनी ओरिजिनलिटी से डेविएट ना हो जाए?
हाँ, एक्चुअली ये सब क्वेश्चंस मेरे भी थे when I went there. तो बेसिकली what we do is हम जो हमारे पास मौजूद है content and the painting, we try to preserve the originality of the painting as much as possible. For example, अगर कहीं से figures raise हो चुके हैं, पेंट फ्लेक्स गिर रहे हैं पेंटिंग से या वो ख़त्म हो चुकी है पेंटिंग से, कुछ पार्ट्स होते हैं ना उसमें वो सही तरीके से नहीं समझ आती पेंटिंग,
बिल्कुल
फेड
अवे
हो गया और हमारे पास उसका इमेज नहीं है, तो कुछ पार्ट्स को हम एज इट इज ही रहने दें जस्ट टू गिव प्लेन कलर ऑन इट, बट इफ वी हैव द रेफरेंस इमेजेस of the painting, we try to save it as much as possible, and that is the same thing which is happening with Anna Molgaiman painting as well, जो उनकी तारिक बिन ज़ियाद इंडिजिनस स्पेन है, उसके साथ भी यही टेक्निक्स यूज़ की जा रही है बिकॉज उसके भी पेंट फ्लेक्स गिर रहे थे कैनवस में बहुत ज़्यादा केले के, इट वॉज अ टॉन कैनवस फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एरियाज और इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ अ 60 to 70 years old now more than 70 years old. So उस पे जो है ना ये सारे चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन मुझे फेस की और अभी तक when I came back from Florence मैंने उन चीज़ों को उस नज़रिए से देखना शुरू किया, रिसोर्सेज की कमी थी, रिसोर्सेज पे काम करना शुरू किया, बट पैरेलल टू दैट आई वाज देन engaged in another restoration project with Hungarian Embassy, which was kind of a turning point for me because इस पेंटिंग में तो काम कर रही थी, it was like this painting is love for me. It started the whole journey.
Okay, that is actually the basic motivation.
Exactly.
That I mean, propelled you even forward.
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही. तो उसके बाद so when I came back from Florence और दोबारा से मैंने पेंटिंग पे काम स्टार्ट किया, तो उसके बाद I got this project which was kind of a turning point for me. The project with Hungarian Embassy where we were supposed to restore 11 paintings done by August Schacht, and it was in Princess Bamba's collection at Sikh Gallery. तो वहाँ के लिए I was there.
Big assignment indeed.
Sorry?
A big assignment.
Yes, it was kind of a big assignment for me and a challenging job as well because I was taking two things parallel. One was the painting project at Al-Hamra Art Museum. The other one was this. And parallel to this, I was also doing a job. I was teaching at a school as well.
Oh my God, you're working like an octopus, holding so many things together.
So yeah, that's why I realized that I have to quit few things. I have to just focus myself. उसमें ये हुआ कि Hungarian Embassy के साथ I worked with them as the field project manager and restorer for this project, where 5 Hungarian restorers were called from Hungary and they worked on the paintings, 11 paintings by August Schacht. The reason why they worked on the paintings were done by the Hungarian artist. The artist was Hungarian, and it was kind of a very interesting learning experience for me because the things I learned from Florence were the traditional aspect of restoration.
Right.
And these restorers taught me a modern way of conserving these paintings,
which was very much required.
Yes, this is very much required, and उसके बाद ही मैंने realized कि there is so much to do in this field, and I alone cannot do anything जब तक मेरे पास कहने की support ना हो.
So an avenue was open for you.
Yes.
For further work.
Yes. And after that, मतलब इसी के दौरान ही I was just done with the project, और I was selected by ICRAM for the course on international course on rethinking disaster risk management for saving cultural heritage.
Amazing.
So I found it very much connected to what I was doing earlier because it's kind of an umbrella under which this restoration preservation works come, the disaster risk management for cultural heritage sectors. So I thought कि इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा काम होना चाहिए because हमारे इधर इतने सारे हमारे assets हैं, valuable assets, and they are not like given proper care and attention. So and not a feasible environment to display. आप देखते हैं जहाँ भी,
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही
मैंने कहा इस पे कोई ऐसा इनिशिएटिव लिया जाए, तो I'm still working on it. If I have some sort of support from government or any such organization who is interested to take this initiative further, so definitely I will be working on this disaster risk management as well. बट अभी मैं अपने काम को फोकस करी जस्ट फॉर द रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ ऑयल पेंटिंग्स। और उसमें यही है कि इसके साथ साथ अब एक दो और प्रोजेक्ट्स भी हैं जो मुझे मिले हैं, और इसका किसी तरीके से बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्शन मेरी आर्ट प्रैक्टिस से भी है।
This is what we were about to ask you, because you have been working so much about restoration. तो आपकी अपनी skills obviously they must be very much, and you must be having that knack in you.
Yeah, actually, when I completed my master's, my whole research was on studying the psychological impact of spaces, and which turned to be like I introduced different mediums to my art practice. उसमें फिर ये है कि जो outcome मुझे मिला, that was kind of a painting or an artwork which can give that realistic approach to the viewers or to the people who are viewing it.
Okay.
So then it was also containing a meaning of preserving the images or preserving the spaces in
Even
a
then,
specific
there
way.
was a very strong relationship.
And then I came to realize, and this was kind of a realization for me, that this thinking or this thought process is being reflected in this restoration work which I've been introduced
Through and
to.
through, you were doing.
Yeah, और उसमें यही होगा, मुझे एक बहुत strong connection लगा because मेरा जो last solo show था, it was also titled Preserving the Preserved. तो उसमें यही था कि I was trying to preserve the abandoned spaces so that the stories they are containing should remain there. What am I doing with
Very
the
strong
work?
focus of all your skill.
Yes.
Of all your skills. अच्छा सना, इतना सब कुछ, you are doing so many things together parallel, and you are maintaining standards each and every genre of work you have attempted. हमारे जितने भी viewers आपको इस वक्त देख रहे हैं, उनके लिए कोई message how you are able to manage everything so perfectly, or you still I mean opting to do even more. तो ऐसा क्या करें कि अगर वो लोग जो ऐसा करना चाह रहे हैं, this is something which is very unique, तो उनके लिए कोई मैसेज, और क्या करें कि वो आपकी तरह अपनी रिसर्च को अगर मजीद एक्सपैंड करना चाहें?
See, मेरी इस पूरी जर्नी में ना I realized there is a desperate need of giving support to each other.
Right.
ठीक
Agreed.
है।
Very much agreed.
I faced many challenges. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने कोई challenges face नहीं किया. I'm still facing.
I know.
ठीक है, जैसे जैसे आप काम करते हैं ना, तो आपको उस तरह के लोग या उस तरह
The more
की
you grow,
situations
your opponents
face
even
करनी
grow
पड़ती है, where people will let you down anyway. There are good people, there are bad people, but it all depends on you, how you carry yourself and how you behave to them. So
बिल्कुल
मेरा
ऐसे।
message जो लोगों को है कि never lose hope and just believe in yourself and stay positive, because this is the only thing which can lead you further. इसमें आप खुद ही कर सकते हैं जो करना है. If you will keep on focusing on what will people say or how will they react, is it good enough or not, am I doing right, जब वो doubts होंगे ना आपके mind में, then आपके लिए problems होती है. जब आप अपने mind में clarity बिठा देते हो कि this is what I want to do,
then everything becomes very easy.
just be precise of how you want to achieve your goals and
Right.
what exactly are your goals.
Thank you so much, Sana. It was lovely talking to you. ये थी सना दुरानी, very optimistic और जो self motivated person हैं, जिन्होंने बहुत unique way adopt की और उसमें excel भी किया. Till next person, we'll find another interesting story for you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.